Ryan?
Can you touch? Is it deep?
It's probably about 10 feet deep. Your feet might touch the bottom when you land, but just barely. Yep.
I'm so scared. I'm scared, Woo!
Okay, let's swim behind the waterfall.
No, I don't want
Yeah, you got to.
You go down now. No. Not even Not that bad.
Okay, we're going to swim behind the waterfall. This is a jump and a swim. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kate? Huh? All right. Here we go. A little scary. Whoa. There we go.